Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Let's do verses 33 and 34 of Surah Al Baqarah. First, the same recitation in Arabic, and then I'll do the translation word by word, one time, the second time, and then I'll recite again, and you will understand what I'll be reciting at least on the second occasion. And also, try to repeat and revise what we are doing and master it. So when you read the Quran, you start understanding what you're reading. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون وإذ قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس أبى واستكبر وكان من الكافرين صدق الله العظيم. أعوذ بالله, I seek refuge in Allah, min ash-shaytanir rajim, from the evil whispers of Satan, the rejected one. Bismillah, we begin in the name of Allah, the God, Ar-Rahman, whose mercy is profound, immense. Ar-Rahim, whose mercy is forever. Allah, he said, who? God. Allah, he said, Ya Adamu, O Adam, Ambihum. Remember Ambiuni? It's the same. Slight difference. Ambi, you tell whom? Them. Whom? The angels. Ambi, O Adam, Ambi, tell whom? Them. What? Bi asma'ihim. Their names. Whose names? Of those people whose names were taught to Adam. Falamma, fa, then, lamma, when, amba'a, he mentioned, whom, them, to them, he informed, whom, them, bi asma'ihim, the names of them, their names. When he mentioned to them, bi asma'ihim, their names, qala, he said, who? God. Alam. Is it not? Is lam not? Is it not? Aqul, that I said, lakum, to you, inni, that I, alamu, I know, ghaibas samawat. Samawat, heavens, skies. Ghaib, hidden. I know ghaibas samawat, the hidden mysteries of the heavens, wal ard, and earth. That is, I know whatever is hidden in the heavens and the earth. Wa a'lamu, and I know ma tubdun, what you do openly. Wama kuntum taktumun, and what you had been hiding, what you had been concealing. Wais, I think we've done is. Wais, and when. That is, there is something in the brackets implied. And tell them about the story, about the occasion when. Qulna, na, we said, lil malaika, to the angels. Now it's God saying, we said to the angels. What did we say? Usjudu, prostrate, do sajda, li Adama, to Adam, fasajadu, So they all prostrated. Illa, except Iblis. Iblis. Aba, he refused. Vastakbara, and showed arrogance. Became arrogant. Arrogant, proud, arrogant. Wakana, and he became minal kafirin, amongst the rejectors of truth. Now let me read it again. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Qala, he said, Ya Adam, O Adam, Ambi, tell whom them, bi asma'ihim, their names. That is, tell angels the names of those people. Ambi'hum, tell them, bi asma'ihim, their names. Falamma, fa then, lamma, when, amba'a, he told whom them, bi asma'ihim, their names. Qala, he said. Who? God. Qala, he said, Alam, is it not? Aqul, that I said, lakum, to you, inni, that I, a'lamu, know, ghaibas samawat, the hidden mysteries, the hidden information of the heavens, wal ard, and earth. Wa a'lamu, and I know, ma tubduna, what you do openly, wa ma kuntum, and what you used to, taktumun, do in the hiding, what you used to hide. Wise and when, that is, tell them the story, the occasion when. Qulna, we said, lil malaika, to the angels, usjudu. You might be wondering why I'm saying usjudu. Well, if I was to do it by putting it together, joining it, I would have said lil malaikatis judu. But when I'm not joining it, the two words, then I'll read it as usjudu. Well, there's a reason for it, but I don't want to confuse you right now by mentioning that reason. So just agree with me. Usjudu, do prostration, do sajda. Li Adam, to Adam. Fasajadu, so they all prostrated. Illa, except Iblis. Iblis. Aba, he refused. Vastakbara, and became arrogant. Wakana, and he was minal kafirin, and he became wakana, and he became minal kafirin, amongst those who rejected the truth, amongst the rejectors of truth. Now let me read it in Arabic in the hope that you will understand most part of it. And the day when you understand the entire recitation, well, it would be a great, great day. And inshallah, it's going to come very soon. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون وإذ قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس أبى واستكبر وكان من الكافرين. صدق الله العظيم. And God said the truth. I'm sure when I'm reading it, you're looking at the text. And I'm sure that the text that you're looking at is without translation. So you look at the words and just try to figure out as to what it means. And you know what? Very soon you're going to be able to understand without looking at the translation. And the ultimate goal is that you read the Quran and you understand it without looking at the translation. Okay, I beg leave from you. Inshallah, we'll meet again. Inshallah, tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.